Good afternoon, everyone. This is Demetrius with Akeelah Traders. Again, today is April 12th, 2024. And so we're here to do another recap on our overall trading system. We're going to review a couple of different accounts here today and just see how they perform today. All of these accounts have been running 100% automated in here. So we'll take a look at several different things that we're doing. Our system is using several different strategies. Some are on aggressive settings, some are more conservative. Just depends on the actual pair that we're trading. For the majority of our trading pairs, we are focusing on gold, the NASDAQ, and the Dow Jones. Those are the big three that we generally speaking run our strategies on because those are very dynamic markets. They're very volatile. They have a lot of liquidity. Liquidity is very important in what our systems are looking for, to be able to capture buy and sell moves. So let's start with this first account here. We're just going to kind of recap what we've done for today. The other thing I want to point out is that the majority of these accounts that we're managing, we're using pretty aggressive risk on here. The risk per trade is going to be anywhere from 5% to 10% that we're risking per trade. But our overall account limits are going to be protected by our daily balances. And so I'm going to take a look at one of the inputs on our system. We're able to specify up here things like what is our overall daily loss limit. So our daily loss limit, we can specify that. In this particular case, is 15%. A very aggressive account, aggressive strategies, and they're spread out across multiple different trading pairs and strategies. So we're able to have to accommodate up to a 15% daily loss. We rarely hit that number, but based on the amount of trades that we're taking and the risk tolerances for this particular account, then that kind of fits in with what we're wanting to do. You can always scale these numbers down. So you can scale it down to where, I don't want to risk that amount. I only want to have a 5% or a 2%. Whatever it is, it doesn't matter. You just kind of specify that there within the settings. So your overall daily loss limits and profit limits, your more important than that, it's going to be your overall risk per trade. So here in this case here, we're risking 1% per trade on this particular one. Right now we're trading gold, looks like. So on gold, when we're trading this one, our setting would be 1% per trade. That may vary with what we're trading. Some other assets that we're trading we use a little bit bigger, but mix your strategies up. Trade based on how aggressive or how conservative you want to be, but let your overall account protection be your limit. So daily, if our daily balance goes below 15% from where we started, then all trading will cease, will stop, and it won't pick up any more trades until the following day. Our overall account has protection limits where you can specify a balance in here, what the minimum amount you want that account to go through. Right here, we just have this as a placeholder on this account because there's so many other protection levels in there that we're not going to get anywhere near to that. But you can specify this if you're walking away from your account. You know what? I've got a $16,000 account or something like that. You can say, look, I don't want this balance to get below $14,000. That will be your overall account protection balance. And so if you were to be away from it for a while, you may have a bad trading day or several bad trading days. Your overall account protection is going to be what's going to guard it there. So I want to make that clear as we're looking at several ones of these. So let's look at this particular account. Let me sort it and see what we've traded today. I think here, I'm not going to take time to go through all of these trades as I have done in other videos, but just to give an overview of what we have traded. So Bitcoin, we were trading here a scalping strategy on the lower time frames, taking very small trades, $1, $2 trades. Look like we've lost the majority of those trades. Bitcoin really hasn't moved much today. So our strategies here, they're really targeted to capture a move when it begins. If that move does not pan out, it's not moving in the right direction, it just closes at a small loss and say, hey, I'll come back and look at that later. Okay, we traded CAD Swiss. We're trading this one on the 4-hour time frame. So this was a very small sell. Apparently we got into this. If our system didn't see that the trade was progressing, we closed and got out. CAD JPY, we took a sell on this one. We're trading this one on the 4-hour time frame as well. So it looks like we took one sell right around 1200 hours, and then we took a sell on EJ. So we won both of those, a CAD JPY and EJ. Then NAS100, like we took a sell here, and other times we've been trying to buy NAS100 and hit the stop losses there. So that was not a good day for NAS. Looked like the majority of these other ones, some small ones. So we were trying to get some momentum here on NAS, did not make any significant progress here. And so the majority of these just closed out at a small loss or tight stop losses there. Okay, let's see what else did we trade here. US30. So US30 is one of the pro strategies, ones that we're using a larger than average risk on. So US30, we're risking somewhere between that 5 to 7% or something like that per trade. But that particular strategy, we're looking for small moves, big gains on that one. So we profited on US30 today. Looks like we won every one of those trades. Gold, we had a buy that was this from yesterday? No, this is from early this morning. We started buying gold at 2400, 23.99. Gold pushed up a lot today and then bounced back out. We got out of that trade at around 2408. So it wasn't a very long trade. We didn't ride gold nearly to the point where it went. In fact, I've got gold back here in the background. Here, gold went as high as 24.20, something like that. So we got out at 24.08, took our profits. It actually hit the goal that we wanted to achieve on this account for that particular trade. So took our money and got out. A little bit later, we tried some other buys on gold, and you see we lost those. And there's one final one down at the end that we had another buy that we picked up at 17.14. We bought it at 24.13 and carried it to 24.21. So about a $7 move. So pretty good results there on gold. Overall on this account today, we closed out and we're done for the day. So none of our accounts, we've turned auto trading off. We're past the trading times that we choose to trade. So there's not going to be any other results unless there's something small that was still running. So we close out a little over 3,000 for today on this account. Okay, let's go to, and we do have a gold trade that's running in here. The risk on here is maybe $300-400, something like that. Okay, let's go to the next account. This one, and it just went away. We hit our daily profit goal on this account. This is one that we're trading. So this is a larger account that we're managing. It is running predominantly the bigger strategies, pro strategies, more significant risks. We're trading gold, we're trading NAS and US30 on here. So let's look at what we closed out on here. Go up. So US30, we won several US30 trades here. And then gold, we had a big loss this morning on gold. And I think this is because, I don't know if these were running around the same time or not. No, it doesn't look like it based on their entry times. But either way, we started out today. We had a pretty big loss on gold, but we were within. And this is a good example of how we may be taking losses, but we're within the tolerance. This is a roughly 100K account. And so our daily loss limit for this account, I believe, is 10%. 10, it may be 15%. But either way, the point is, we lost almost a little over $9,000 here, but we had other trades that had already profited during the day. So even if we lost big on that one trade, we stayed within the loss tolerances because the other trades were already in profit. So it's kind of an aggregation of, winning trades and losing trades, but at the end of the day, we want to be profitable. So we traded that here also on Bitcoin. We had some trades. It looks like Bitcoin just did not do as well today. We didn't win any of those trades. So it was quick in and out. This strategy that we're running here on Bitcoin is, again, just designed to capture a move when it's moving. So we're taking these small losses in here, but when we win, these wins are going to be, pretty significant there. And this is scalping down on the lower time frame as well. That's why you see there's so many trades here. All right, only a few small ones there on Bitcoin. So, all right, so overall today, we close out with with a profit of a little over 8,000 on this account. So that's a little over 8%. So that means we started this account. If you go back and look at the video we had yesterday, we ended at around 108, I think. So made another 8,000 today. Very good. These next accounts I'm just going to scan through quickly. This is another one. We hit the daily profit goal on this account as well. We were trading. Let me move this up and see what all we traded here. Okay, a few other trades. Excuse me, a few other trades on Bitcoin. Like we saw on the other ones, we just did not win any of our Bitcoin trades today. NAS100, we did take sales on NAS100. We won several of those. US30, we won several of those. Won all of our NAS trades and our US30 trades over here. Gold, we kind of had a mixture. We won. Did we win anything on gold? No, that win is US30. So we lost these trades here on gold. And these were earlier this morning. 1650 is around the time the New York stock market opened. So by the time the market opened, we had closed out and we were done. So we ended up with just not quite 5,000. So the daily goal for this one was a little bit tighter. And we have the ability to go in and adjust that, which we did, because today being a day like Friday, our overall profit goal is going to be a little bit less than it's going to be on another day. So we're able to change that. And so we reached a tighter profit target. Next one, this is going to be the last account. And we reach our daily profit goal again on this one. This account here was somewhere in the 6,000 range or something like that. Let's look at the trades that we closed out. So these are everything, all the trades that we trade. US30, we took sales on US30. We won all of those. And we tried to sell gold earlier and lost. Came back and bought gold and we won those. So that was our trend trades from our primary system. So again, another pretty good day. That's a $1,200 profit on a approximately $6,000 account or something like that. So that's pretty good for today. I think that's pretty much it. So that's all I wanted to review, just to give a daily recap of this. So I mentioned in the last couple of videos that we are starting our copy trading system here with Akeelah. So we encourage you, if you're struggling with trading within these markets, the CFD markets, the Forex markets, the stock markets, whatever it is, take a look at partnering with us. You can join our partnership and be able to take advantage of some of the things that we're doing here with Akeelah, be able to copy the trades that we're using, that we're taking with cues from our advanced AI system. Either the system is running automatically by itself, or we're following cues. We have a team of traders that are trading and taking manual trades in some of these accounts as well, to go along with the what the AI system is doing. So as you can see here, these are some pretty great results. We're not getting these same results all day, every day, but consistently we're profitable with this, and we're going to be substantially more profitable, or we have been substantially more profitable than trading in any of your traditional markets and things like that. So take a look at our partnership. You'll see the links down there below in this YouTube video. You can go to our website, see more information about Akeelah. You can see more of our YouTube videos to see examples of our system running. So we'd love to have you on board. But thanks for your time. You guys, please like our channel, subscribe, hit the notification bell so we can keep you updated as we have more videos to post. Okay? God bless you guys. Have a good weekend.